Here is two loops back to back. First one is pretty slow. Second one is quite a bit faster of me doing a quick circuit and seeing how it looks by drone. I think it is apparent, especially in views like this, why the scooter fits so easily through certain spaces and is so accommodating of certain styles of riding. I really dislike this road depicted here right now, by the way, 13th. It's too wide, too fast. I'm able to go slow on it this time. The second time, I have to go a lot faster. Don't like it. Fit through that pretty easily. Colfax. Lots of people lose lots of time in Colfax. There we go. That's loop one. Here's loop two. Can you already tell that it's faster? Go through the parking lot because the traffic was going to be stopped there. Through the car. Zip around the corner. Pretty quick. Waited for, as often, traffic on 13th. That car behind me was going really fast, so I went really fast, stay ahead of it, and then went a half block farther. And so zipped down the alley and then had to do some shenanigans there. And then that's me coming back up and through the parking lot. And I'm back. It was like a third less time.